In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated GIF to Outlook signature. By the end, you'll have a polished email signature with a small, looping animation that looks professional and works reliably. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website link to open Outlook on the web. Once your mailbox loads, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Outlook keeps the options that control how your mail looks and behaves. In the Settings panel, choose Account to access more detailed options, then select Signatures. This brings up the place where you can create and manage your email signatures. Click Add Signature to start a new one. Give your signature a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to have different signatures for new messages and replies. In the signature editor, type the text you want to appear in every email. Keep it clean and easy to scan, typically your name, title, and essential contact details. You can format the text with fonts and colors, but less is more for readability. Now, let's add the animated GIF. Make sure you already have the GIF file downloaded to your computer so you can insert it directly. In the editor toolbar, click Insert, then choose Pictures. Navigate to the folder where your GIF is saved, select the file, and confirm to insert it into the signature. Outlook on the web supports GIFs, so the animation will appear when you send messages to recipients whose email clients support animated images. After the GIF appears in your signature, adjust the size so it's tasteful and doesn't overpower your text. You can click the image and drag the corner handles to scale it proportionally. Aim for a small footprint. Large, heavy images can be distracting and may increase email load time. If the GIF looks pixelated or too busy at small sizes, consider choosing a simpler animation with fewer frames and a subtle loop. Before you finish, glance over the layout to ensure the text and image align well and the spacing looks balanced. Keep branding consistent, avoid too many colors, and make sure the signature remains legible in dark mode. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save. Your new signature is now ready to use, and the animated GIF will appear in your outgoing emails based on your signature settings. That's it. Your Outlook signature now includes a clean, professional, animated GIF. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your emails a polished visual touch.